Hello, friends. So we got it in here. It's in enough. I gotta move the black BMW, and I'd be able to get it in here without a problem. But this black BMW is sitting back. Anyways, so this is a 2024 GMC Sierra, and it's a beauty. I ain't even lying. Anyway, I did this pickup a month ago. And something that he wanted done was the trim. I'll show you that here in just a minute. Anyway, I did an exterior wash on it that day, and it's been sitting mostly in the garage. It's been out, but not as much. And we're gonna get another exterior on it, and then we're gonna work on the trim. Now let me show you that. And yes, there's a perfect reflection in this pickup, but look at that. This thing, there's some orange peel in it, but this dang thing is like freaking flawless. I mean, it's got some issues, but for the most part, it's really good. But somebody polished it, the trim. So we're gonna do our best to get it back right. Any other black trim on this pickup is gonna be on the mirrors and the back. And then obviously over the wheel wells. Other than that, there's not a lot. So first of all, you can't really do that until you wash the vehicle. And we are going to get that done first. Alrighty, so now that we have the exterior washed, and yeah, it's looking really good. It's time to do this trim. I just did this one to make sure that it was gonna work. It had fading here. The color it took, but you can it matters because I know where it's at. I mean, anything is possible. Anyway, got all the way down. So I got this first one done. So we'll check back on it here in a little bit and see. But so far it's looking decent. I mean, it gave it some of its color back. I think it's a win. Even if we just give it most of its color back, it would really need to be removed and repainted. Now, I don't know if y'all can remember, we had polishing residue here. I got a lot of that off just by cleaning it. But that's pretty normal. You know, if you just take the time to clean it, you can usually get a better result. So let's continue on. We're gonna do these back two, and then I'm gonna do the very back, and then I'm gonna back it up a little bit so that I can have easier access to the front. Because, yeah, there's like no room. So, that's where we stand. This one is probably just a skid mark. That's what it looks like. Just a skid mark. Now, I'm going to clean this up really good before I do it. But I wanted to point something out. I'm betting, can you see? You see all that spotting? I'm willing to bet that it's also polishing residue. And then this one, you can see this mark and this mark. I'm not sure if it's, I'm not sure. I think it's this is a skid mark, but I think that's a skid mark. You know, maybe it rubbed on something or somebody rubbed on it, you know, created that. But either way, this will give you an idea. This is untreated, and this is treated. And you can already see that it's looking better. Now, this little crease, if you have these little creases in the trim that you do, make sure you get all of your product out of there. Don't allow that to build up. If you do this at home, that's a tip for you as well. Just make sure you have nothing left in that. You don't want something to go wrong there. Alrighty, so we got her done. It doesn't take very long. It looks much better already. And it doesn't feel scratchy. So this is good news. It feels like it's got a coating on it. Clean out those crevices. Of course, with no memory on the phone, I can't do too much, but this is shaded in. The dye took care of it. Pickup is looking good with the exterior wash. This one had looked like a skid mark or something. You can still see it, but it is not white. Got all of this. It's looking really good and fresh. Got the step pretty good. And the customer asked me to shine up his tires a little bit, so I did. Last time he was here, I did a coating on the wheels, on the tires. So it didn't take much to get those back right. And we had a white spot here. Looks a little dull, but it's covered. It's not white. And looking pretty good. And then down here is plastic, so we got it looking good. It's looking pretty good. I'm pleased with it.